There's not a whole lot more to say about exceptions. So I'm going to start talking about some of the caveats with exception handling. I'm showing you guys examples of exception handling because you are undoubtedly going to see it in other people's code, and in some circumstances you will run into situations where you are going to be forced to use exception handling. But never take exception handling as a tool in the same way you would take an if statement as a tool of the language. Although I am having my int.parse here and I am catching that exceptional case when the user typed in garbage, this code is actually worse than if I had used an int.tryparse. The way I should have written this code, let me go ahead and write the code the way I should have written it. I should have written it using normal C# constructs. So I should go ahead and say bool user, or how about I'll just say double input equals 0 while input does not equal 0, input equals double tryparse console read line, whoops, out input, oh come on, what am I doing now? Blah 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 blah. Why did I do that? Sorry. Double result equals 10. Actually, hold on, these are ints, not doubles. There we go. Input, console write line, result. I'm going to rename this to result 2. This is how I should have written the code. The reason I should have written it this way is this code prevents both of the possible exceptions from even happening in the first place. And it makes my code a lot more, I think, straightforward and easy to read.